Did you know that cancer signs can be subtle and often go unnoticed? Most people think cancer is something that only happens to others and that the symptoms are obvious. But in reality, the early signs can be much more discreet than you might think. This means that we can often detect cancer before it spreads, but only if we are paying attention. And that's why in this video, we're going to talk about the early signs you should never ignore. The truth is, when it comes to cancer, time can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. The earlier you identify the signs, the greater the chance for effective treatment and even cure. And that's exactly why being informed is crucial. What you don't know might be affecting your health. And today, you're going to learn how to spot these signs and how it could save your life. Now, before we begin, if you care about your health and want to stay informed, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and turn on notifications so you never miss out on content like this, which could be the key to your health and well-being. What most people don't realize is that cancer can begin with very simple symptoms, such as persistent pain, unexplained weight loss, or even fatigue. Often, people ignore these signs because they think it's something temporary. But what you need to understand is that these symptoms might be your body's way of sending you a distress signal. Don't ignore the signs. What you think is just tiredness could actually be your health trying to tell you something's wrong. For example, unexplained weight loss is a symptom that is often associated with cancer, especially in its early stages. If you're losing weight without making any changes to your diet or exercise routine, this could be a sign that your body is dealing with something much more serious. Remember that cancer consumes a lot of the body's energy, and that's why it can cause this kind of weight loss. Another common yet frequently ignored symptom is excessive fatigue. It's normal to feel tired every now and then, especially after a busy day or a sleepless night. But if the fatigue persists for weeks or months with no obvious reason, it could be a sign that something's wrong. Many people with cancer, especially in the early stages, experience fatigue that doesn't go away, no matter how much rest they get. This fatigue could be a sign that your body is fighting an illness like cancer. If you're noticing any of these symptoms, don't wait to seek medical advice. The sooner you get help, the greater your chances of early diagnosis, and consequently, the better the chances of treatment. Remember, cancer doesn't wait, and the quicker you act, the more treatment options you'll have. Now, I want you to share in the comments. Have you noticed any of these symptoms in your own life? Or maybe someone close to you has experienced these issues. Don't hesitate to ask questions or share your experiences in the comments, because we're here to help each other. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe now so you don't miss out on more essential tips on how to take care of your health. After all, prevention is the key to living a long and healthy life. Now let's talk about something that many of us ignore due to pure ignorance: the warning signs that are right in front of us, and how they can change the course of our health forever. Let's dive into understanding each of these signs so that you can be prepared and never ignore them again. Now that we've covered some of the more common symptoms, let's dive deeper into others that can be even more subtle, but just as important. We're going to talk about how paying attention to the smallest changes in your body can make all the difference. One of the most overlooked early signs of cancer is persistent pain. You might think that pain only means injury or overexertion, and for many that's true. But when pain lingers, especially without an obvious cause, it's time to take it seriously. Chronic pain in areas like the back, head, or stomach can be a sign that something more serious is going on, such as a tumor pressing against nearby tissues or nerves. If this pain is not going away, and it's not related to an injury or any other known cause, it's crucial that you get checked out. And while we're on the subject of unexplained pain, let's also discuss headaches. Headaches are incredibly common, and most of the time they are nothing to worry about. However, When headaches are frequent, severe, or come with other symptoms like blurred vision or nausea, it could indicate something far more serious. Brain tumors, for example, can cause headaches as they grow. It's important to never ignore this combination of symptoms. If headaches are impacting your daily life and you're feeling anything out of the ordinary, consult your doctor immediately. Another sign to watch for is a change in your skin. Your skin can tell you a lot about your overall health. Have you noticed any unusual growths, moles, or spots on your skin that are changing in size, shape, or color? If so, this could be a sign of skin cancer, such as melanoma. It's critical to check your skin regularly and consult a healthcare professional if you notice anything unusual. Don't wait for the spot to grow bigger or change more dramatically. Early detection of skin cancer can lead to successful treatment in most cases. Speaking of changes in the body, let's also talk about changes in bowel or bladder habits. These changes can seem minor, but they are often a sign that something is wrong. For example, persistent constipation, diarrhea, or blood in your stool could indicate colorectal cancer. Similarly, if you notice blood in your urine or experience pain during urination, this could be a sign of bladder or kidney cancer. These are not symptoms that should be brushed off, even if you feel embarrassed or uncomfortable talking about them. Your health is too important, and these early signs can make a huge difference in diagnosing cancer early on. Coughing is another symptom that, when ignored, can lead to late-stage diagnosis. If you've had a persistent cough for several weeks, especially if it's accompanied by blood or sputum, this could be a sign of lung cancer. It's easy to dismiss a cough as just a cold or allergies, but a cough that doesn't improve or gets worse over time needs to be evaluated by a healthcare professional. If you experience coughing, along with shortness of breath, chest pain, or hoarseness, it's critical that you seek medical advice. Remember, lung cancer can often be treated successfully when caught early. These symptoms can be alarming, but it's important to remember that they don't necessarily mean cancer. There are many other conditions that can cause these same symptoms. But if you notice any of these signs persisting over time, the best thing you can do is talk to your doctor. Don't wait. Early detection saves lives. As we go deeper into this, I want you to reflect on how you've been feeling lately. Have you noticed any of these signs or symptoms in yourself or in someone close to you? Don't wait for things to get worse. If something doesn't feel right, listen to your body and reach out for help. The sooner you act, the sooner you can get the treatment and support you need. And if you're enjoying this information, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with those who may need it, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more essential health tips like these. You're helping others by sharing this knowledge. Together, we can spread awareness and make a difference. Now let's move forward and talk about another key aspect of cancer: how lifestyle factors like diet and exercise can play a role in prevention and early detection. Let's now talk about prevention. While not all cancers can be prevented, the good news is that many of them can be influenced by the choices we make every day. Yes, your lifestyle, what you eat, how active you are, and even how much stress you're under can have a significant impact on your cancer risk. First and foremost, one of the most important things you can do is maintain a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help keep your body strong and reduce the risk of several types of cancer. On the flip side, diets that are high in processed foods, red meat, and sugary drinks can increase your cancer risk. In fact, research has shown that diets high in processed meats, such as sausages or bacon, can increase the risk of colorectal cancer. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about what you drink. Alcohol consumption is another risk factor for several types of cancer, including liver, breast, and colon cancer. Excessive alcohol intake can weaken your immune system and make it harder for your body to fight off cancer cells. That doesn't mean you have to completely eliminate alcohol from your life, but moderation is key. Aim to keep alcohol consumption within the recommended limits, 1 drink a day for women and 2 for men. Another lifestyle factor that plays a critical role in cancer prevention is physical activity. Regular exercise is proven to lower the risk of various cancers, including breast, colon, and uterine cancer. Exercise helps regulate hormone levels, improves immune function, and maintains a healthy weight, all of which are important for cancer prevention. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week can make a huge difference in your health. If you've been feeling low energy, it might be time to reassess your activity level. Are you getting enough movement in your day? If not, it's never too late to start. Even small changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking after dinner, can lead to big health benefits. Don't wait for tomorrow. Your body will thank you today. And while we're on the topic of physical health, let's talk about weight. Obesity is a significant risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and pancreatic cancer. Carrying excess weight can increase inflammation in your body and alter hormone levels, both of which contribute to the development of cancer. Maintaining a healthy weight not only reduces your cancer risk, but it also improves your overall well-being and energy levels. But it's not just physical health that matters. Mental health plays a role as well. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system and contribute to inflammation, which may increase your cancer risk. It's crucial to find ways to manage stress, whether through meditation, yoga, spending time with loved ones, or simply taking time for yourself. Managing stress isn't just about feeling better in the moment, it's about protecting your body in the long term. Now, I want to take a moment to ask, are you taking care of your body, not just physically, but mentally as well? Your mind and body are interconnected, and when you nurture both, you're giving yourself the best chance to stay healthy and prevent disease. Don't wait until it's too late to start making small changes. Even the smallest adjustments in your diet, exercise, and mental health practices can lead to big improvements over time. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with others. We all need to take charge of our health, and by spreading the word, you could be helping someone else make a positive change in their life today. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can continue providing valuable tips and insights to help you live your healthiest life. Now, as we move forward, let's talk about how you can stay proactive in your health journey. Even if you're feeling well, it's essential to stay on top of regular screenings and checkups to catch any issues early on. Remember, early detection is key to fighting cancer. Let's dive into the importance of regular checkups and screenings. Even if you're feeling perfectly fine, the truth is that some cancers don't show symptoms until they've progressed. This is why early detection is crucial. You might not feel sick, but a simple test or screening can identify something that could be growing quietly in your body. Early-stage cancers are often much easier to treat, and the chances of successful treatment are higher the earlier they're detected. For women, regular mammograms are essential in detecting breast cancer early. The American Cancer Society recommends that women with an average risk of breast cancer begin annual mammograms at age 45, although you can start earlier depending on your family history or if you have any other risk factors. Mammograms are a vital tool in spotting abnormalities that may not be noticeable yet, and they can help detect small tumors before they spread. For men and women, colonoscopies are another vital screening tool. Colorectal cancer is one of the most common types of cancer, but it is also one of the most preventable if caught early. The American Cancer Society advises adults to begin screening for colorectal cancer at age 45, though people with a family history of the disease may need to start earlier. Colonoscopies can find early signs of cancer or even precancerous growths, allowing for early intervention that can save lives. For women, regular pap smears and HPV tests are key in detecting cervical cancer. Cervical cancer can often be prevented with proper screening, so it's important to have these tests done as recommended by your doctor. Women between the ages of 21 and 65 should have a pap test every 3 years or a combined pap and HPV test every 5 years, depending on your doctor's advice. For men, regular prostate exams are important, especially if you're over the age of 50 or have a family history of prostate cancer. The prostate-specific antigen, PSA test, is one of the most common ways to screen for prostate cancer, and it's crucial for early detection, even in the absence of symptoms. While these screenings are incredibly important, it's also essential to listen to your body and pay attention to any new or unusual symptoms that may arise. If you notice any changes, whether it's a lump, a persistent cough, blood in your stool, or unexplained pain, it's important to bring these concerns up with your doctor. Even if it turns out to be something minor, getting it checked out can give you peace of mind and ensure that you're staying on top of your health. You have the power to take charge of your health and make sure that you're getting the screenings and checkups you need. Don't let fear or embarrassment stop you from asking the right questions. It's always better to be proactive rather than reactive when it comes to your health. And while we're on the subject of being proactive, another step you can take is to learn about your family history. Knowing whether there's a history of cancer in your family can help you and your doctor assess your risk and determine which screenings you may need to begin earlier. If you're unsure about your family history, it's a good idea to have a conversation with your relatives to get a clear picture. That way, you can take the necessary steps to stay ahead of potential risks. It's important to understand that taking action now can literally save your life. The longer you wait to schedule that checkup or screening, the more time you're giving cancer to grow unnoticed. Early detection not only makes treatment easier, but it also opens up a wider range of treatment options and increases the chance of a full recovery. Remember, cancer doesn't give you a second chance to catch it when it's in an early stage. It's up to you to be proactive and take control of your health. If you're feeling motivated to take charge of your health, leave a comment below and share what actions you're going to take after watching this video. Whether it's scheduling that doctor's appointment, making healthier choices in your diet, or committing to regular exercise, it's never too late to start making positive changes for your health. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with someone who might need this information today. You could help them take the first step toward a healthier future. Now let's move on to discuss how cancer treatment has evolved and how advancements in medical science are offering new hope to those who are diagnosed. As we continue on this journey of awareness and prevention, let's talk about the incredible advancements in cancer treatment that have transformed the lives of many. If you're ever faced with a cancer diagnosis, it's important to remember that treatment has come a long way. The options available today are more effective and less invasive than ever before, thanks to ongoing research and breakthroughs in medical science. One of the biggest advancements in cancer treatment is the rise of immunotherapy. Immunotherapy works by stimulating your immune system to fight cancer cells more effectively. In the past, chemotherapy and radiation were the main options for treating cancer, but these treatments can be harsh on the body, often causing significant side effects. Immunotherapy, on the other hand, can target cancer cells specifically, helping to minimize damage to healthy tissues. This has opened up new hope for patients with cancers that were previously considered untreatable. Another important breakthrough is targeted therapy. Targeted therapies work by targeting specific molecules that are involved in the growth and spread of cancer cells. These therapies can disrupt the cancer's ability to grow and in some cases can even cause cancer cells to die. Because targeted therapies are more precise, they tend to have fewer side effects than traditional chemotherapy and radiation. In addition to these revolutionary treatments, we also have improved surgical techniques that allow for more precise and less invasive procedures. Minimally invasive surgery uses smaller incisions, reducing recovery time and the risk of complications. This is particularly helpful in cancers that are located in hard-to-reach areas of the body. And let's not forget about personalized medicine. Thanks to genetic testing, doctors can now tailor cancer treatments to an individual's unique genetic profile. By understanding the specific genetic mutations driving a person's cancer, doctors can create a treatment plan that is specifically designed to target those mutations. This is truly a game changer in the fight against cancer, as it makes treatments more effective and less harmful. All of these advancements mean that, if caught early, many cancers can be treated successfully. The chances of surviving cancer are better than ever before, and with the right treatment plan, many people go on to live full, healthy lives. But none of this is possible if cancer isn't detected early. And that's why you must be vigilant about recognizing the signs and seeking medical advice when needed. Now, if you've been inspired by the progress that's been made in cancer treatment and the hope that these new therapies bring, let me remind you once again, early detection is the key to unlocking these treatments. Don't wait. If you notice anything unusual, don't brush it off. Your health is your most important asset, and the earlier you act, the more options you'll have for treatment. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with others. Sharing this kind of life-saving information can make a real difference in someone's life. You never know who might need to hear this message today. Now that we've covered the advancements in treatment, let's take a look at how you can continue to stay on top of your health moving forward. Whether you're in great health right now or you're facing a health challenge, there are steps you can take every day to reduce your risk and protect your future. As we approach the end of this video, I want to leave you with one final message. You have the power to take control of your health. Knowledge is empowering, and by understanding the early signs of cancer, the importance of screenings, and the advancements in treatment, you are now equipped with the tools you need to protect yourself and those you love. But beyond just knowing, it's about taking action. Don't wait for tomorrow to make those lifestyle changes. Schedule that checkup or take a proactive step in your health journey. Whether it's committing to healthier eating, becoming more active, managing stress, or simply making regular doctor's visits a priority, every action you take today helps secure a healthier future. Cancer is a serious issue, but with early detection, modern treatments, and lifestyle choices, we can change the course of our health. The statistics show that more people are surviving cancer today than ever before, and a large part of that success is due to the fact that many cancers are detected early and treated effectively. You can be part of this positive change by making small but meaningful choices every day. Remember that your health is worth the effort. You are worth the effort. The more we prioritize our well-being, the more we are able to live the life we deserve, long, healthy, and filled with joy. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back from seeking help or making changes that can improve your life. You are not alone in this journey, and every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us reach more people, spreading awareness and empowering others to take charge of their health. And please share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or concerns, or even if you just want to share your own experiences, feel free to engage with us. We're all in this together. Now take a moment to reflect on what you can do right now to protect your health. Schedule that doctor's appointment. Make those small changes. Take that first step towards a healthier, happier you. Because in the end, your health is your most precious asset, and it's always worth fighting for. Thank you for watching, and remember, early detection, healthy choices, and modern treatments can save lives. Take control of your health today and inspire others to do the same. Stay strong, stay informed, and stay healthy.